Good afternoon, everybody. So, just like the previous video, my camera messed up for this one. Hopefully all the next ones will be okay. But you've just missed me starting off my base. I've done exactly the same as normal. My primer, a bit of colour correcting, and now all I'm doing in this clip as the video starts at this place is putting on my tinted moisturiser. And actually, I feel like I should mention the hair. Having a seriously bad hair day today. I don't even know if a tiara is going to help today. Like I told you before, my normal trick for bad hair days is a tiara or a woolly hat. Not going to lie, don't think tiara's probably going to do a lot today. Roll on into lockdown and hairdressers coming back is all I can really say. So sorry for the hair. Hopefully the face and the makeup will make up for it in the end instead. Okay, now I've got my tinted moisturiser on. I'm going to try something a little bit different today. I don't know if it's going to work. But, you know, if you don't try different things out and techniques, how are you ever going to know? So I'm going to put my concealer to cover some blemishes over the top of the tinted moisturiser and then put my foundation over the top of that. Wish me luck. Let's hope it works and that it don't completely, like, all of a sudden ruin my base. Because my base is going all right today, guys. So, you know, that would be pretty damn annoying, really. So, anyways. Okay, I've let the concealer fully dry so that it's not going to then hopefully move around underneath the foundation. So now I am going to go in with my foundation, and this is the almond shade of Makesense Foundation. So, full coverage. Here we come, baby. My hair is getting progressively worse throughout the video. I mean, I might have to actually do something with it by the end of this, since it's meant to be a glam look. Anyways, so I'm going to use Whisper Pink Shadowsense as my under eye concealer today, because it's got more of a pinky tone to it. Even though I have colour corrected, I want to keep the pinky tone, but obviously lighter under my eyes to really help with all the blueness and the dark. Oh, my eyes are so dark at the minute, guys. So tired. Anyways, let's get on and whack some of that on. The Whisper Pink Shadowsense. As I'd started to apply it, I remembered that when I've used it in the past as an under eye concealer, I've used it without colour correcting first. So I'm looking a bit pale, guys. I'm looking a bit ghostly. I think I really should have just used my normal concealer. But hey ho, hopefully it will still all come together in the end. We've just got to trust the process, haven't we? Trust the process. So I'm just going to use some of my Lasting Fix translucent powder. Just a tiny touch to set this bad boy under my eyes. I mean, why would I not want to do that? Because that colour's so magnificent at the moment. So, you know, let's set that in. Okay, so contouring, blush and highlight. Contouring, I think I'm going to use Mocha Java Shadowsense today. And for blush, I'm going to use Chocolate Cherry Blushsense. What am I? I'm now reconsidering. I don't know. Shall I? Shan't I? Yeah, I'm going to use Chocolate Cherry. But actually, because we're doing total full-on glam, this is me, so it's going to involve sparkle and shimmer and glitter and all I've literally thrown on me. I mean, why not? Because I love the stuff. I'd happily bath in it. So I think I'm going to use some silver rose dust over the top of this as well, just to sparkle it up. And I'm going to use some of the advanced anti-aging pearlizer for highlight. So let's get on with that. Okay guys, so this is how glamorous life gets in lockdown. People were needing the room where my makeup desk and everything is, so I've decamped to the kitchen. So welcome to family kitchen. Please excuse any mess, but you know, it is what it is, and we've always wanted to keep our channel real and, you know, about who we are, and I'm a mummy, so this is mummy life. So I've decamped to the kitchen for the time being. So in the meantime, I have done one brow whilst I was cooking the tea. As you can see, mine's sat there ready to eat when I finally finish my video. And I'm just going to go ahead and do my other brow. Okay, yay, we have funny onto eyes. My favourite thing about makeup. Love creating different eye looks. It's just my favourite part of all makeup. So, I am going to do a glam halo eye. So, I'm going to start off with Mulberry Shadowsense, which is like a real subtle, dusky shade of pink. So, I'm going to start off with that as my base colour, I think. So I'm going to work that into the crease, and I'm going to take it higher above the crease as well, because this is a more glam going out look, you know, giving us those vibes of when we can go out. But you know what, we can still glam up. Even in the meantime, even in lockdown, we can still glam up for whether it's a date with Netflix, you know, whatever. It makes you feel good to still actually get a bit glammed up, and it just makes you feel a lot better in yourself than, you know, constantly being sort of indoors, wearing PJs and all of that. Don't get me wrong, I love to slob out in my PJs, but you know, there's a time where you do just want to kind of glam it up a bit and, you know, just feel good about yourself for just a little while. Do you know what, things are so going to plan today that, you know, it's brilliant. So the memory on my phone is full, so you'll probably see that the camera's switched around because I've switched to a different way of filming it. Anyways, I was telling you before I got rudely interrupted that I have got a bit of highlight underneath each brow, the arch of each brow, because I popped some of my highlighter on there when I highlighted elsewhere, just so that my colours are going to blend with my highlighter, because I'm going quite high up on the brow, so I just wanted to do that first. So I've got the Mulberry down. So next up we are going to use Desert Rose Shadowsense. This is a very similar colour to the Mulberry. It's still a really dusky pink shade, but it's slightly deeper in tone, and it's a demi-matte finish, whereas the Mulberry is a matte finish. And I just take this through the crease as well to start building up and deepening that crease. Okay, so now I'm going to use French Roast. This is such a gorgeous colour. It's kind of, oh, I don't even know how to describe it. It's kind of like a brown, if you like, but it's got a real beautiful, warm, kind of purplish, pinkish tone to it, which I think will just work beautifully with this look. So I'm going to use one brush to place the shadow where I want it, and then my blending brush to blend it out. Look at that blend. Oh yes, love a bit of blendy. We do love blending eyeshadow. So I can't wait for the finished eye look. I'm so excited about this eye look. Okay, so now that I've got that blended through the crease, I'm now going to deepen up this outer edge and work on this inner corner as well. And I'm going to leave obviously a gap in the centre of my lid, because that's going to be our halo. Okay, so this makeup look did not go as planned at all, at any point, really, throughout the process. You know, it was kind of fine up until the brows, and then it all went to shit, really. It all went tits up. So, anyways, here we are now. Here is the finished look. I know I kind of disappeared a little way through the eye on this side, and then I ended up finishing it off camera. My phone totally messed itself up, got in a right old, you know, don't know what the hell it was doing, quite frankly. I don't think it still knows what it was doing. So I just carried on with it and then went live to do the other eye, which I've put, obviously, some of that into the tutorial video. This has got to be one of the worst videos I've ever done. But, you know, anyways, hopefully you enjoy the finished look. I'm really pleased with the finished look, especially considering all the, you know, stops and starts throughout the whole process. So, but I am really, really loving these colours. Look. So pretty. And I feel really super glam and pretty. And do you know what? Pretty damn sexy as well, actually. Pretty hot. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know whether it's the colours, whether it's the glitter, whether it's like the full-on effect with the lashes and everything else, because I haven't done full-on glam for a while. I don't know, but I'm really, really loving it. Really, really enjoying it. So, I hope you've enjoyed this look as well. If you have, please feel free to give us a little subscribe. That would be amazing. Feel free to come find us on Facebook and Instagram as well. And we will see you very soon for the next one. Bye for now.